Okay, so VTuber talk. What is up with Niji Sanji Ian's crisis? Like, how on earth are they like the best wave that has like the best dynamic so far? Like, I know we have like Luxium and Noctix and even Lazulite and even Etheria, but I don't know, just Crisis hits different. Like even Illuna, I thought Illuna had like like one of the best like dynamics because it's like boys and girls mixed together. I thought they had like one of the best dynamics, but no, just Crisis. It's just three guys, but but it's like they're inseparable. Like how on earth did that happen? Like, like, seriously, it's like in America, the French Canadian and a Frenchman. How on earth were they able to make such a great dynamic? Like even after a year, it's like it's like it's it's still what do you call that? Like, even after a year, it's like I never get tired of watching them together. Like I never get tired of watching them collab together because it hits so different. Like their solo streams is way different from their like y- you know it's the usual thing. Like solo streams and collab streams are way different. However, if it's a specifically Crisis only collab stream, it's completely different because I tend to watch collabs more often than solos, because I really like how they banter and everything with other people. But it just so different. I watch like I thought one of my favorite streams with Crisis was the Chain Together. Was it Chain Together? Yeah, the Chain Together one with Claude, who's part of TTT, the wave after Crisis. And I thought, wow, that's a dynamic. That's a dynamic that really works. It's entertaining stream. Like I I think I watched that entire stream continuously, and it's like a 6 hour stream, uh, and I never got bored of it because of how good they are together, all four of them. And then I recently watched their like 1 year anniversary celebration stream where their fans, the Vescroniers, made the game, and I was like, okay, this is my favorite stream. It's just so different when it's just specifically them three, or all of them, all three of them. It's just so different. Like, how is this so different but so good at the same time? Like, they were good with Claude there. They were good when they were collabing with the girls, with all three of them, and then the girls, and also you know any type of like big collab with all three of them present, or even just two of them present. It's just so different, and you could feel like the difference whenever there's like an open Tatsu, and the Tatsu feels different. Like if it's like from another person's stream, like for example, who let's see who was, let's say it was I think the latest one was Finanas. No, it was Polgers. But I could make it as a reference, yeah. So, Finanas' birthday Tatsu, it was different when it's just like Vanta and Wilson, but when Sally joined, it's also different. Same thing with one of Folger's streams when it's just specifically Vanta and Wilson. Sally didn't pop up, but it was so different. Even though Cloud was there, it's totally different. Like what is what is the vibe of Crisis that it's so good? Like I don't think I've, I have ever encountered like a wave of VTubers with that great of a dynamic. It's literally do not separate. Always have all three of them. It's like it feels so wrong separating them three. Like it's just so nice to see that type of dynamic. Like actually it kind of reminds me of like what do you call that, early day Luxium, because they have like such a they're close but not, like fan servicey type. Like it was just the right amount, I would say. Actually, it kind of, because I'm a big fan of Noctex, but the thing is with Noctex, they have more of like a family dynamic more than like just like bro friend dude dynamic, like Crisis has and Luxim has. Like, you could clearly tell like Uki's the mother of the group and everything, but with the Luxim, I don't think there's like a mother figure. But there's a mother collector, which is Ike, but he's not a mother figure, I would say. But with Crisis, it's just three boys. It's like three toddlers. Chat is the mother. Whoops. But yeah, that's basically it.